The bird can fly? Yes, good. The bird can fly. Excellent. Fly. Fly. Ready? Okay. Now we have another actions that we don't have here, but you are going to see, look at to the teacher and repeat the action. Ready? Okay, we have shoe. Shoe, look at me. Shoe. Who can shoe? The horse or the cow? Yeah, the cow can shoe. The cow can shoe. Look at it. Excellent. This one. Gallop. Who can gallop? Yes, the horse can gallop. Excellent. And the last one, we have hop. Pay attention. Hop or hop. Who can hop? Who can hop? Yes, the rabbit can hop. Excellent. Good job. Hop. Now we have swim, walk, run, climb, fly. Excellent. Shoe. Gallop. Yay. Excellent. And hop. Good job. Now we are going to sing a song about the actions. Let's do it. Okay, now we're going to sing a song about actions of movements for the animals. Ready? Okay, let's start with swimming, we swim, walk, and run. Ready? Okay, let's do it. Swim, 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 like a duck. Swim, 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 like a duck. Swim, 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 like a duck. Run, 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 like a duck. Run, 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 like a duck. Walk, 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 like a hen. Walk, 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 like a hen. Climb, 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 like a cat. Climb, 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 like a cat. Animals in actions. animals in actions. Fly, 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 like a bird. Fly, 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 like a bird. Shoo, 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 like a cow. Shoo, 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 like a cow. Gallop, 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 like a horse. Gallop, 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 like a horse. Hop, 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 like a bunny. Hop, 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 like a rabbit. Animals in action. Animals in action. Excellent. Okay, is everything for today. See you in the next class. Bye bye. Thank you for being part of the class. I hope that you have fun with the lesson. See you later, alligator. See you the next class. Bye bye. Gracias por ser parte de la clase. Espero que se hayan divertido y aprendido mucho hoy. Nos vemos en otra ocasión. Bye bye. Que tengan un feliz día.